Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of separating substances. Mixtures are everywhere. Think about it. The air we breathe, the ocean, even a simple salad. We're going to explore methods from simple filtering to complex distillation. Get ready to unlock the secrets of separating stuff.
Let's kick things off with filtration. Remember making pasta and using a colander? That's filtration in action. Filtration separates an insoluble solid from a liquid using a material with tiny holes. Coffee filters, paper towels, even cloth can act as filters. It's simple but effective.
Next up, evaporation. Perfect for separating a dissolved solid from a liquid. Think about salt water. The salt dissolves completely, so you can't filter it out. Use heat to turn the liquid into a gas, leaving the solid behind. Try it at home with salt water in a shallow dish. Over time, the water evaporates and you'll see salt crystals forming. It's like magic, but it's science.
Now, let's crank things up with distillation. Useful for separating liquids with different boiling points. Heat the mixture. The liquid with the lower boiling point vaporizes first. Cool the vapor to condense it back into a liquid and collect it separately. Distillation is used in making alcoholic beverages and refining crude oil.
Time to bring in the magnets. Magnetic separation uses magnetism to separate magnetic materials from non-magnetic ones. Think about a junkyard giant magnets. Separate scrap metal from everything else. Hold a magnet over a mixture of iron filings and sand and watch the iron filings cling to the magnet. Next up, decantation, a laid-back technique that relies on gravity. Imagine a jar of muddy water. The heavier dirt particles settle, leaving clearer water on top. Carefully pour off the top layer, leaving the sediment behind. It's like separating cream from milk.
Hold on tight because we're spinning into centrifugation. This technique uses centrifugal force to separate substances of different densities. Spin the mixture at high speeds, forcing denser components outward, used in labs to separate blood components and in washing machines to spin water out of clothes.
Get ready to explore chromatography. This technique separates components based on their movement across a medium. Use a stationary phase like paper and a mobile phase like a solvent. Spot the mixture on the paper and dip it in the solvent. As the solvent travels up, it separates the mixture into distinct bands of color. It's like magic, but it's science. Let's talk about sedimentation, a relaxed technique that lets gravity do the work. Heavier particles in a liquid settle naturally over time, like dirt in a pond after a rainstorm. Used in treating wastewater and separating minerals in mining. Simple but effective. Get ready to shake things up with sieving. This technique separates particles of different sizes using a sieve or mesh. Think about sifting flour. The sieve separates finer particles from larger ones. Used in construction to separate sand and gravel, and in kitchens to sift spices. Versatile and handy. Get ready for sublimation. This technique separates a solid that sublimates from other solids. Heat a mixture of sand and iodine. Iodine sublimates into a purple vapor, leaving sand behind. Cool the vapor to deposit solid iodine crystals. It's like magic, but it's science. Thanks for watching. We've explored amazing techniques for separating substances. These methods are used everywhere, from labs to kitchens. Understanding them is essential in countless fields. Keep exploring, experimenting, and asking questions. Like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you next time.